Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is the lecture number 16 for grade 5 unit number 1 investigating the plant growth, and I am your science teacher Miss Sidra Zafar. And remember, it is a revision session. In this lecture we will read the unit number 1 investigating the plant growth from the book. Here you can see the page from your book. This is the page from your book. Investigating the plant growth 1.1 Seeds. Seeds and fruit. Have you ever swallowed a seed when you were eating an apple or an orange? We find seeds inside fruits. Fruits and seeds can be different sizes and shapes. You can see in this picture, this apple has been cut in half to show the seeds. This is the seed. An avocado pear has one large seed. You can see it. In the same way, bean seeds are found inside a pod, and a poppy's fruit contains the seeds. What's inside a seed? Are seeds alive? Seeds might look dead, but they are not. Seeds grow into new plant. There is a tiny plant inside the seed that starts to grow when it has all the things that it needs. The tiny plant inside the seed is called an embryo, and the seed also has a food store. Here is a bean seed with its parts. Labeled in the diagram, you can see embryo, seed coat, scar where the seed was joined to fruit, and the food store. Now, here is an activity. Draw and label a seed. Look carefully at the seed with the hand lens. Find the seed coat and the scar where the seed was joined to the fruit. Make a neat drawing of the outside of the seed and label your drawing. Use your fingernails to pull off the outer covering of the seed, which is known as seed coat, and pull the two halves of the seed apart. Find the embryo inside the seed and find the seed's food store. Draw and label the inside parts of the seeds. Kindly do this activity, and here are some questions for you. Why does the seed need a food store? And why does the seed need a seed coat? And what do you think the seed needs to make it start to grow? These are some questions. Kindly answer these questions and send me on my WhatsApp number. In the next lesson, we will study the second topic, how seeds grow. Thank you so much.